Tired of dealing with lifeless, thinning hair that just won't hold volume? Imagine waking up to hair that looks fuller, stronger, and more vibrant every day. This breakthrough hair enhancer is designed specifically for fine and thinning hair, whether you're a man or a woman, and it's changing the game for anyone looking to restore their hair's natural vitality. What sets this volume-enhancing foam apart is its physician-developed formula featuring the proprietary BioPeptin Complex. It doesn't just add temporary volume. It revitalizes your hair at the root, improving elasticity and helping to reduce breakage. The lightweight, clean formula adds shine and body without weighing your hair down or leaving any residue. Plus, it conditions your scalp, supporting healthier hair growth over time. This isn't just hype, it's an award-winning product, recognized as the 2020 ELLE Future of Beauty winner, trusted by countless users across the United States. One user shared how they tried many brands to save money but kept coming back to this serum because it's the only product that actually helped grow and maintain their hair. That kind of real-world proof matters when you're investing in your hair care routine. Using it is simple. Just massage once daily into your scalp and hair roots. No rinsing needed. It fits seamlessly into your daily routine, making it easy to get the fuller, healthier hair you want without extra fuss. If you're ready to see what changes this volume enhancer can bring, it's worth a look. Imagine the confidence boost from hair that feels thicker, stronger, and more alive. Whether you want to revitalize thinning strands or simply add more body and shine, this formula delivers clear benefits you can see and feel. Try it when you're ready to make a difference in your hair care.